Hi, in this video we are going to show you how to do the changing of colours of any object. So you can see that I've changed that to a nice orange, and then we're also going to show you our next one where we change the colours of the lines. So how you can change the colours of the lines. So you can see here, see underneath, so right here you can see it changed to orange. I'm going to take this one right here and I'm going to change that to orange as well. So we're going to take you through these two examples. Now you've got to have your imagination. I've given you an example in chemistry because I'm doing these virtual exam tutor videos and this is why I've learned all this stuff, but you can do it with anything you want. So let's come out of this and let's show you the two ways. So first of all, two ways is to take your picture and your shape. Remember, any shape that you want. Okay, and we've got a circle right here. And what we do is we right click on here and duplicate the slide. When we duplicate this slide, that means it's exactly the same slide, and we can use something called a transition. Now, the transition we want to use is morph. Now, this will morph your first slide into your next slide there. Okay, so what we need to do is just change the final slide, and it will morph into it. So if we look at here, let's change the color of this by going to shape format and then doing a fill. So let's do some of the fills. Let's make it a very bright yellow color. Now I've set up 3 here, so what I did is on here we'll set the morph, but there's also been a morph set up on here, so you can see there's a morph and there's a morph. So when we put this into our overall presentation, press the button and then it goes yellow and then it goes orange. We go back, it goes to yellow and then goes back to red. Okay, and that's one way, simple way of changing the colors of these different shapes. But how can we do it in a slightly simpler way without doing morphs? So what we do is, here's my picture, and I know this is chemistry, but don't worry about the fact that it's chemistry. That's why I do the videos on virtualexamtutor.com. But basically, it's all about how do you change it? Use your imagination. So if I do this right now, okay, and you look down here, so your eyes should be down here, okay, and there you go. I'm going to change that line into orange, and I'm going to change the other line into orange here. So you've seen this one change into orange here. And imagine you've any type of picture that you've animated, and in other videos I'll show you how to animate pictures, okay, and I'm going to show you how easily it is to do. So all we do is we take the thing we want to animate. Now this is a line. It could be a line, or it could be, for example, words. And we go to animations, and we click down here, and we've got emphasis. The two I want you to look at are the fill color and the line color. So, for example, if it was a shape, we'd use the fill color, but this is a line, so we're going to use the line color. So we click on the line color, and it automatically goes to that color right there. But I want to change the color I want it to be. So I want it to be, and I go up to effect options. Let's make it into that nice orange that we wanted right there. And it will change that nice orange. Now this will appear, let's get rid of my face here. This will appear up here as in your animation pane. So you can go to animation pane up here, and then here it is, and you can look at all of your effect options here. So I know that we can change our style, for example. We can change whether it's smooth start, okay, or a smooth end. So is it gradual? I'm not bothered about that. Okay, so I'm just keeping it at 0 seconds. And we can add sounds if you want, and we can even change the timing and how long it goes for. Okay, this is on click. So let's just have a look at that again. So as we go up, and then pressing it, and you see it changes into that color. Okay, well, that's the end of our first video, and that shows you how to do 2 color changes using either morphs or using a transition.